I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready. Start with light and a steady hand. Open Google or Google Photos and tap the lens icon to begin. This gives you live identification. Hold the phone about 1 to 3 feet from the plant so leaves and flowers fill the frame, and make sure the subject isn't backlit. Once focused, tap to lock exposure and then tap the shutter or analyze button. Doing this gives lens enough data to compare patterns and shapes for accurate matches, so don't crop or blur the main features. Now capture useful angles and let lens process. You'll see suggested matches and thumbnails instantly. Tap 1 result to view images, names, and identification confidence. This is how lens narrows options by leaf shape, venation, and bloom color. If you're unsure, take additional photos of the underside, new growth, or bark, and rerun lens to improve confidence. Make sure to compare several suggested ID. When multiple sources show the same species, the result is more reliable. Finish by verifying the suggested ID. Check habitat, bloom time, and additional images for consistency before acting on care or consumption. If lens doesn't give a confident match, improve lighting, simplify the background, or take close macro shots of leaf edges and flowers. Small details matter. Once done, save the images and rerun lens, or share the best photos with a plant forum for human confirmation. A quick troubleshooting step. Restart the app if recognition stalls, then retake one focused, well-lit photo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.